Hi and good morning or good afternoon. Today we are going to learn subjects in Korean with Korean. We will learn how to pronounce it precisely in Korean and also take a look on what it looks like. Now, first, there are 3 grades in Korean schools. First, 초등학교. 초등학교 is elementary school. Next, 중학교. 중학교 is middle school. Last but not least, 고등학교, which is 고등학교 is just high school. Next, we will take a look at the subjects. Okay, first there is 국어. 국어 is learning of the Korean language. There are 독서, which is reading, 합법과 작문, speech and composition, 문학, which is literature. There are these kinds of books in 국어. Next, 수학, which is math. There are 미적분, calculus, 기하와 벡터, geometry and vector, 확률과 통계, probability and statistics, and 수학 익힘책, which is mathematics workbook. There are these kinds of books in 수학. Next, 사회. 사회 is just social studies. There are 경제, economics, 사회과 부도, social studies appended books. There are these kinds of books in 사회 or social studies. Next, 과학. 과학 is just science. There are 물리학, physics, 화학, chemistry, 생물학, biology, 지구과학, earth science. There are these kinds of books in 과학. Next, 한국사, which is 한국사 is just the study of the Korean history. Next, 도덕. 도덕 is the study of ethics. Next, 영어. 영어 is just studying English. There are 문법, grammar, 독해, reading, books in 영어. Next, 세계사. 세계사 or the study of world history. And last but not the least, there is 음악, music, 미술, fine arts, 체육, physical educations. There might be these subjects in school. And thanks for watching or listening. And I hope to see you next time.